Hey, Gregos here. Woo! Quick update. Let's talk about what we're working on at the moment. What are we working on? So we're working on. We've got what do you call it? This one. We've got so much on. So Evie's over there. Oh, we can't even see that. Sorry about that. Evie's over there baking, as in the epoxy that we put on everything is curing. So that's doing that. So on this here, it's we're now applying some filler. I don't have to like putting a little bit up there, but actually you don't really. Just about all the repairs there you don't even see because the pop top covers it. But we've got to make sure it's all waterproof and everything like that. So on these weld areas there, I use a bit of carbon filler first. So I just over where the actual repairs are, it's a lot stronger and more waterproof than normal filler. This is going over the epoxy anyway. So that gets a skim of that, we block that back, and then it just gets the normal, we're using 3M Platinum, just skim over the whole panel. So on a couple of these panels, I like to go over, if there's areas that are a little bit deeper, over a repair area. So where that's all was welded across there, that's been welded across there. So that one's got its, you can see the first layer of filler was blocked back, and I've just skimmed over with another bit of stuff, and that's, by the time I sand that's done. So yeah, we've still got to wipe a bit over here and over some repairs, and yeah, so Phil, Dr. Phil. And then Andrew has just about done on Norma. So we've got that step happening there. Just got to do a little modification to this here, but that's pretty much, the front's done. Those plates up there, they look a bit ugly now, but they just need welding back, need to be sanded back. So that's all done-ski. That side you knew about. So really coming to a close on Norma. We've got there was some holes there that have been welded up, so that's just got to be panel beaded now. I'll grind those welds off, and if I can't panel beat it from underneath inside, then I'll use a stud puller and get it out further. But so yeah, now the gutters are going in. So this has been, you can see all the black stuff has been sprayed in everywhere between the folds of metal, so that everything was sort of flooded with rust treater. So now these gutters are getting welded in, so that will need a bit of filler underneath to smooth it out after, but I want to get some epoxy on there first, so the epoxy stops the rust. So it was decided, Andrew thought it'd be easier to cut that, like get this welded in. We made the pre-cuts there, uprights. So now we're going to make this corner up and fix this internal part that's rotten, and then put the external part on. So this profile of the new gutter, yeah, looks like he's got the gutter pretty much all the way around. So that's sorted, the gutter. So yeah, almost finished. Just got to repair at the bottom here. We actually ordered another panel that comes up to about here. So we're going to cut from that and use that. We're just waiting for that to arrive. So yeah, so the gutter is sort of same size, so to speak, but the fold here is a little bit sharper, whereas this is more rounded. Like there's tiny little compromises like that, but I think you'll hardly see it by the time it's been filled. And oh well, we don't have to fill the gutters, but by the time we loaded some good paint on there and give it a sand, it should be fine. So Norma's almost done. Yeah, so we've just got a skim fill over the body on this, on Chilli, and out there probably can't see because of all this exposure. It's probably just like bright white light. The dual cab is going to the sandblasters to finish. Like it's just about ready to paint. but the owner wants underneath all clean and like new, so we're gonna take it back to the sandblasters, and they sit it up on barrels and that, and can clean up underneath, so that will make it literally like new. So yeah, that's what's happening. All happening. Chilli, Kia, Norma, Evie, not to mention the longer term projects that I've really got to pull my finger out, and I've got to